bos, mau saja. Karena
something is about to give. I can feel it coming. I think I know what it is. I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid to live. And when I'm flat on my back, I hope to feel like I did. And hardness, it sets in. You need some protection. The thinner the skin. I want you to know that you don't need me anymore. I want you to know you don't need anyone or anything at all. Who's to say where the wind will take you? Who's to say what it is will break you? I don't know which way the wind will blow. Who's to know when the time has come around? Don't wanna see you cry. I know that this is not goodbye. Somewhere I can taste the summer to the sea. There's a kite blowing out of control on the breeze. I wonder what's gonna happen to you. You wonder what has happened to me.
berenang, besok berenang, bikin story yang banyak-banyak.
Ini yang baju yang topi kuning yang lebih nih.
Ya, jangan kami mau bikin story banyak-banyak. mau nyanyi Ibu Meli nih.
Hai guys.
Halo, salam kenal. Halo, salam kenal. Aku udah kenal. Salam dari Jamal. Salam dari Jamal.
Did I waste it? Not so much I could taste it.
Halo, salam kenal. Salam kenal.
Top to the basement, the last of the rock stars. When hip hop drove the big cars, in the time when new media was the big
Halo dok, salam
idea.
salam kenal dok.
That was the big idea.
Enak dari belakang, dia nggak tahu.
Foto apa video? Video lah.
Halo guys.
Hati-hati ya.
Halo guys.
Halo Ma.
Halo, salam kenal.
Halo, assalamualaikum Bang Faisal, apa kabar?
Salam kenal,
Kita
Dok.
ketemu lagi di tempat yang lama nih Bang Faisal nih. Nah,
Dok,
pengabdian masyarakat.
Nggak jadi nyanyi tadi?
Oh, nggak jadi Bang. Nah, ini Akbar nih Bang. Karena nggak ada Akbar tadi, maka kami nggak lanjut nyanyi.
Nyanyi sedikit lu.
Halo, salam kenal, Bu. Alhamdulillah berkumpul kembali sama
Jamat.
sama Pak Perawat Gigi.
Ya, dokter umum. Yes.
Baiklah teman-teman, itulah sekilas perjalanan kami yang lumayan